All right, let's get right into it. All right, so you want to find a car you want to park next to. Once you find that car, you want to slow down and then slowly approach that car while you straight and like not too far from it, so it could be easier to align. So you want to be about 2 feet away from that car. You don't want to be too close and you don't want to be too far. All right, once this road clear, I'll be dropping up to that car in front. All right, so once you're driving up to the car, depending on the car size, if the car is the same size as your car, you want to align mirror to mirror. But if your car is bigger, you want to move up and try to align the back bumpers. Or if the car is bigger than yours, you want to align the back bumpers as well. You don't want to move up all the way to the mirror. So now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn it one full turn to the right and put it in reverse. And I'm going to reverse back all the way until I see the license plate of that car in my passenger window. Once I see that plate in the passenger window, I'm going to turn it all the way left until I'm fully straight. I'm going to just hold it till I'm fully straight. Once I'm fully straight, I'm going to just go ahead and then turn the wheel to the right a little bit to straighten the wheels and then drive up. And then I'm going to straighten the wheel by taking it back to the left. And that's it. If you enjoy this, like, comment, subscribe for more.